Before we get started today, I'm gonna stop you right there. Take a good hard look. Take a long hard look. Yep, I'm gonna point it out first. I know that they're there. Go ahead. Be positive. I know how the internet can be sometimes, and I haven't posted in 2 weeks, and I wish to post, and I'm not going to let these get in my way. It is not my fault. Somebody kissed me as a baby who shouldn't have. Blame me if you will. Somebody loved me. So be it. This is the price you pay to be loved. To live with these. Two at once though. I look like I got bit by a vampire. I look like I got bit by a snake. Say what you will, I do not care. I made fun of myself first, so there's nothing you can do that I haven't already done myself. Oh, moving on. It's been a long time. It's time for a craft. Let us focus our minds on something positive and creative today. And let us escape this reality and enter a world of... We're gonna do a craft today. I have something in mind, and I have a hope and a dream, and hopefully we can bring that to reality. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll meet you over at the crafting table, shall we? Welcome! If you're following the channel and you happen to have seen the last video I posted, you would know that currently right now, me and my grandmother are cleaning up and painting a house that my mother has recently bought. In that process, I have found myself a few goodies I've brought home that I found useful or could be revamped. This is one of those items. This is one of those items. As you can see, this is some kind of key holder. I need a key holder. I don't own one, so perfectly good piece of decor. Nothing wrong with it. It's imperfect. Just needs a little paint. Just needs a little love. Needs a little TLC. And that's what I've been put on this earth to do, is to take people's trash that they have abandoned, don't care of anymore, people in the future find to be unpleasant to look at, and I take it and I make it pleasant to look at. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Let's see if we can do something with this. This whole believe thing is out. Gotta go. So let's start there, and let's just go ahead and we'll see where the wind takes us, yeah? Oh, yeah. I have yet to open this gigantic thing of paint. I've used this brand, but only in small bottles. I thought that a big... Should I shake it first? Seems like you know, when you get like a gallon of paint, you know, you gotta shake it up. This is what that feels. This feels like a lot of paint. Maybe it's... Come on, trying to peel in 2 layers. Get off of there. We waste no paint in this house. Give me this. Oh, what? Am I okay? I think I'm good. I got scared. Oh, I'm scared. What just happened? Come here, you. I think I'm okay. I'm just gonna start by painting this thing white. And then, yeah, I'm not too sure. How many coats do you think this will take? Okay. How are we looking so far? So far, so good. We got the whole thing nice and covered, which means we can go ahead now and get started on our design. Oh yeah. Right now, I'm unsure of the exact design that I want. Although I do have an idea. I do want it to be kind of like a retro squiggly line almost. So right now, I'm just going ahead and freehanding that the best that I can. Although I do really want to match the design of this table the best that I can, because I don't get to see it very often sitting over here in the corner. Well, here we go. Here's what we have, and it's not exactly what I'm going for, so give me a minute. I'm looking at it here on camera. There's tons of work that still needs done, but I don't know if this is the vibe that I'm trying. Like, to me, it's a little childish. To me, it's a little too, like, rainbow and ponies, you know what I'm saying? Like, this just isn't, like, I wanted it to be squiggly, but I'm not too sure if this is, like, it. Now I've come to a point in this project where I don't know if I want to cover this up and restart, or, you know, I can keep going and I can fix it up the best I can, and I can go from there and see how it'll actually look, because so far I brought the idea is in reality. This was once a dream, a vision, something that only existed in my mind. It now exists on planet Earth. Is this something we want to keep on planet Earth? Now's the time to decide, right? I look at it from back here, I don't hate it. When I look at it like this, I hate it. So it's weird, I think what I might do is... I shook the whole table. That's not what I might do. Of course, if you look at it up close, this is not, you know, it still needs hella work done. It's not done. But it's not like bad from back here. Should we keep going? Because I was gonna paint white right over this today. Now I'm unsure. We're painting over it. I have a new idea. I'm taking a new approach. And you know what? If you're unsure about something, start over. Handed this, I'm not the best with making even lines. I'm gonna start over. I have a different idea. I'm gonna use a different approach this time. I think our second trial will be much, much better. Just how many times will I change clothes in this video? The world may never know. I'm going to paint in a little bit and I'm going to be prepared for that, so I changed again. Never been to Disney World? By the way, that was a gift from my uncle. I think I'm okay with that. I think I can live my whole life without that experience. It seems like it would be overcrowded and overpriced. Anyways, yeah, same day, same day. Here it is, we're ready to go. Now I'm gonna show you what I probably should have done the first time. I thought this technique out. I think I've got it down now. I think I know exactly the steps to take. So yeah. So now what I'm gonna do and should have done is I'm gonna place this ruler right here and line it up with the star, and this should give me a more even and smoother line. Also make it a little bit chunkier so that I have more room taken up on this piece of wood itself. And you know, if I want to add another line, I always can, and I will have something even to work with. So this should help quite a bit. So let's go ahead and start by tracing this. Already making such a difference from the original design. I'm liking this so much better so far. Okay, how do we feel about this? Yeah, more even, better lines, more chunk, more space taken up. Everything's even, 1, 2, 3, got a space, 1, 2, 3, everything's good to go. I'm liking this so much better actually, this line. I think we're ready for some paint. Let's see, let's try to match it to that table this time, yeah? Yahoo! Look at this now, this is what I'm talking about. Yes, yes, this is pleasing, this is satisfying. This I like. I do think that the ruler trick helped a lot more. That was so much more satisfying than what I was doing before. This looks so much better. I'm so happy that I covered it up and started over. It matches that table better, so now I have two things to look at, because I don't get to see the table often, but maybe I'll see this more. So this is good. Obviously it's not done. I'm going to spend the next couple of minutes cleaning up the lines, making it straighter, and we'll add some little detail here and there, and yeah. Now it's time for some very tedious line work. We're gonna try to make this edge as smooth as possible, and I've already crapped all over it, so that's nice. So I use a little bit of tape so I can have smoother edges, right? What a joke! Stupid eyes, stupid me! I think I started recording this video on Monday, and today is Thursday. I'm slowly going insane. Slowly, I'm going mad every single day. I grow further and further away from God. It's hard. At first, it was fun. I had a dream, a vision. Now, I'm unsure what's real anymore. It was just meant to be a simple craft, but now I'm just a prisoner of my own creation. How did I get here? Was I always meant to spiral into this chaotic abyss of uneven lines and chunky paint? I'm unsure if I'm crafting or slowly unraveling into something unrecognizable. I shout into the void. This was supposed to be fun, but alas, nobody hears. Yeah, so this has become super annoying. I've gotten these lines just about as even and smooth as I'm gonna get them, to the point that I'm just about over it. I don't even care anymore. One thing I've added so far is I made the little hooks gold. I'm gonna continue to put some paint over them until they're completely covered and completely immersed in this beautiful gold paint. I'm losing my mind. Now that I've gotten to this point in the project, I feel that I could use tape down here, so at least my gold line can be like smooth and even. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some of this tape that I used yesterday, because I used it on the pink. I can't put it on the color, because as you saw, we already screwed that up. So over this, I just want to be done. I just want to be done, and I want to move on to new things. I didn't think this was gonna take me 278 years, man. This better be even. I swear to God, I'm gonna go so berserk. I'm gonna go bananas. I can feel it. Okay, let's do a little test and let's see how this works out. And hopefully this tape will not let me down. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh no. Okay, that's fixable, yeah. Got a little damage right there, but that's okay. Look at that line. Oh, that works really well. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh my god, I'm almost done, possibly. Oh no, that's a line to be proud of. Oh, folks, you get the gist. That we're just about done. We're gonna go ahead and wrap things up from here because it's gonna take me some time to do all this tedious little line work that I still am seeing details and things to cover up, and I've got to fix this gold line. But for the most part, we see it. We get it. It's here. It's done. I'm sure you don't care about all the tedious things I'm going to do, so thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for being with me today. Let me know what you thought about this project down below. And make sure to like this video to help support the channel. And do subscribe if you want to see more, because I'm always out here doing something. I may be late on posting videos, but I'm always doing something. I promise you that. I'll always spend another day fixing this up. And I will see you in the next one. You take care. Goodbye.